Hello and welcome to GotPhoto. In this video, we will be exploring the initial setup of a new GotPhoto account. This is called the one-time settings. The reason we refer to this as one-time settings is once they're completed, you don't have to do them again. So, first of all, once you've logged in, you'll see the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of things you need to do in order to get set up ready to sell through the system. These can be found here, and you can click on them individually. So first of all, let's click on the invoice settings. You can also see where this is within the system by looking up here at settings and on the left-hand side in the invoice settings section. First of all, the VAT credentials. If you're over the VAT threshold and you have a tax number and VAT registration number, please put them in here. Secondly, whether you are above or below the threshold, please enter your VAT rate here. Secondly, please fill up your invoicing address. You can put your company name in here, salutation, and the rest of the information required. The reason this needs to be complete is because not only is it the invoicing address that is on your monthly invoices from GotPhoto, this can also be used by the print labs if you opt for the option of having batch items delivered to your address. Thirdly, scroll down to the bottom and click I hereby certify and save and finish. This is the end of the invoice settings section. Next up, go back to the dashboard. The second one down is the privacy statement. Now, the privacy statement is required within the UK and the rest of Europe to be complete in order to sell on the online shop. You can click on the privacy statement and it will take you to Settings, Pages and Menu, Privacy. In here, it will give you information about the privacy statement and an option to insert a template. Just click this button and a template appears below. Please edit or remove the yellow highlighted information and replace it with your own. Then click Confirm and then Save. Once this is done, you can then go back to the dashboard and on to the next one. As you are going through these, you'll see here that the X's become ticks, so it shows you your progress. Next up is the data processing agreement. Now, this isn't needed to be done immediately, and it won't stop you selling. However, this is a requirement to have. First of all, you can download our template contract, fill in the details. Step 3, upload. Once you've done this, go back to the dashboard. You may see that this still remains a red X. Not to worry, because it needs to be processed by us at GotPhoto and will eventually become a green tick. Fourthly, we have the payment methods. Now, the payment methods, you can click on here. And once again, to know where it is within GotPhoto, we can see here that we're in Settings and Payment Methods. Now, by default, the GotPhoto payment gateway is active. This uses PayPal to facilitate payments towards your GotPhoto dashboard account, but we recommend that you use your own payment gateway, making sure that this one is switched off by clicking Modify, Inactive, back to Payment Methods. Then you could go down to your own payment gateways, press Modify, and in here you can set up your own payment method for your shop. The first payment method here is Stripe. If you want to use Stripe, please click on Stripe's web address and fill out the details as is written here. Once this is done, you can enter a publishable key in here and a secret key in here. These keys are obtained by following the steps above on Stripe's own website. Please make sure, if you do use Stripe, the keys that you put in here are live keys, starting with PK Live and SK Live, following by the key code. If you have PK Test or SK Test, please go back to Stripe and make sure that your publishable keys are there and active. This means you need to confirm all identity. Then click Save, make sure that this is active. If you'd like to use your own PayPal, please visit your paypal.com web address. Also fill out the details below and you'll be able to get an API username, password, and signature, then click Save. You can use either one of these or both together in conjunction. This will allow your customers to be able to use credit, debit card, or their own PayPal accounts. Bearing in mind, if you do have both of them set up, you will have revenue going into both areas, so just be aware of this for accounting reasons. Next, we go back to the dashboard, and we'll find that most of these will turn green. You don't need to choose a plan at this stage. However, optionally, you can go up to Settings, Pages and Menu, Logo and Design, and this is how you can change what it looks like in the shop. We recommend that you upload your logo here and give a page title. This will appear to your customers in the shop. Then click Save, and that is done. Back to dashboard, and this concludes the video for the one-time settings. Thank you.